Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I'm going to make a quick review on the very famous HMT Rajat. That is a workhorse automatic watch from the house of HMT. And I have kept this review pending for long, but today I'm going to do it. So the HMT Rajat here features a 36 case with a very nice, you know, cushion shaped case here, a really nice one. As you can see, a turtle or cushion or very nearest to that, something like that. It's really good. The crystal on this watch is an acrylic crystal. And let's go to the dial features. The dial here is the white eggshell shade dial, and it is HMT insert here mentioned. In HMT, this is Rajat printed, automatic 21 jewel suspended movement, and HMT modern logo here. The indices here are metal inserts, and there are many variants of Rajat. So I have chose this watch to specify an HMT automatic, and this is one of the variants that you can find here. The movement here used is HMT in-house caliber 6500 series movement, and there have been variations in that because there is one Rajat unidirectional winding, this one is bidirectional winding movement. So all those are variants of HMT 6500 movement that has been derived from Citizen automatic movements. So to wind this watch, we can initially give a kickstart of 2 to 3 windings here, but overall the winding is done by the rotor. When you move the watch, the rotor moves and rotor rotates and winds the watch here. Now let us see the case back here. The case back mentions HMT, and then again the last 2 digit is 95. So watch has been made in 1995. It is mentioned stainless steel, so it has a stainless steel case as well as the case back. It is water resistant up to 15 meter only, and shockproof movement, and the case back is screw down type case back here. So if you want to set the date, so it is quick date set, and it is also, if you want to set the day, it is, you have to go from 12 hour to 12 hour to set the weekday. So this is how it works here. So that's really cool. So it has a quick date set but doesn't have a quick day set. The lug width here is 16 and it features a very nice beautiful strap, a metal bracelet with a very tapered down design, and really very nice buckle with HMT engraving here. So this HMT 6500 movement has been there for long and has been used in many watches like Kanchan, Rajat, then again your Kajal, etc. The modern variants of these watches have larger case diameter, and here it is only 36 but the modern ones have the Myota 8205 movement, the Myota 82 series movement, and those are also really good watches in the of their standards. So crystal here is an acrylic crystal that has to be press fit from a watch bench press, so that is really something. So this is the HMT Rajat automatic. So thank you for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe. More videos are coming. Have a nice one. Bye.